In this video, I'll show you how to connect Pinterest tracking to Checkify Plus and why this setup is essential if you're running Pinterest ads. If you're spending money on ads but not tracking real purchases from your checkout, you're basically guessing. Pinterest needs accurate conversion data to properly optimize delivery, reduce CPA, and scale campaigns efficiently. Today, Pinterest is one of the strongest traffic sources for e-commerce brands. But like any advertising platform, it only works effectively when it receives accurate conversion data. Now let's set it up. To get started, open your Checkify Plus admin panel, go to Integrations, and select Pinterest Ads. Here you must enter your Pinterest tag ID, and if you need to, you can also pull up the Conversion API. After that, you will see a message confirming that the connection was successful. It's all very simple, but let's test it to see if it really works. Open the Buy Links tab, create or use any link, and open the Chrome extension, namely Pinterest Tag Helper. In a second, it will pull up the necessary information, and you will see the ID you inserted into Checkify. That's it, you're done. Save this video if it helped you set up Pinterest tracking, and let us know if you want guides for our integrations. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you sell on Shopify, you can access even more detailed tracking and run Pinterest ads on your own checkout page with Checkify Pro.